Hello teachers and aspiring educators. Today I'm going to give you a quick lesson on how to use color tiles in your geometry classroom. Color tiles are a very simple and effective method when trying to teach ideas such as perimeter, area, rectangular arrays, and patterns for perfect squares. It is easy to use in a classroom, especially on a classroom that's under a budget. Today I cut my own squares. I cut about 6 of them today, but you can cut as many as you like and use them in many different methods and activities. Some of the key aspects and key ideas to teach with color tiles is perimeter and area, and like I said, rectangular arrays and things like that. An easy way to teach things is when teaching perimeter, you just teach children the distance around the outside of an object. For this, let's assume that this is a perfect square. We can say that the square is 2 by 2, and you can teach children to add 2, 2, 2, and 2, which will come out to be equaling 8. Then you can also make other objects with the color tiles. You can have them combine 2, such as this, or even add a third and make oblong shapes and odd shapes, and they can add them up that way. Other things you can do is you can teach area, which is pretty much the extent of a surface or a plane as measured in square units. In simpler terms, you would just, on square and rectangular shapes, you would just multiply 2 perpendicular sides. Yet again, let's assume it's 2 by 2. This would be 4 square units. Or you can assume it's bigger, however you want to do it. And then you can also create rectangles. And assume it's, yet again, 2 by 2. So this would be 4 by 2. That'd come out to be equaling 8 square units. Other things that you can do is creating rectangular arrays. Now what you can do is, the most common way teachers use to describe this is by giving a student 12 tiles and have them create as many different arrays as they can with 12 tiles. They can do a 1 by 12 array. They can do a 3 by 4 array, or they can do a 2 by 6 array. And they're able to learn that with tiles you can make different size shapes and stuff like that. Another really effective teaching tool with this is you can teach. It's an easy way to teach perfect squares. You can have the students build square units, so you can do a 1 by 1 square. 1 by 1 equals 1 square. With, yet again, perfect 1 by 1 units, you can have them do a 2 by 2 square, which would come out to be equaling 4 square units. And you can carry it on, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and so on, depending on how many squares you give each child. Yet again, this is a very simple method. It works great in your geometry class. And it gives the children a very good hands-on approach to geometry. And not only that, it's a very fun thing. You can let the children play before or afterwards. And they'll just have a great time. And this can be taught from any grade range. You can teach it from 3rd and 4th grade geometry all the way up into 6th and 7th grade. And just do a variety of methods. And like I said, it's very effective because it's hands-on and it's very easy to comprehend. Thank you.